All right, folks, so I want to do a video on these rock sliders on this KRX1000. So these are not completely installed, but if you haven't installed them before, you do it side by sides. These are actually pretty easy to install, but I kind of want to run over the stuff you have to do to install them. I would say to an extent it may appear that they're a lot more difficult to install than what they really are on this particular model. I just have this one partway installed. I got the hole drilled right there and drilled these out, and I got a bolt started. So basically you put the bolts in, stick your caps in, gravy, done. But you got to know where to drill, and you don't want to drill in the wrong spot, because then that's like Mayday, your machine, your brand new machine that you bought, you're drilling on already, and that's like, you know, you don't want that to happen. So here's this side over here, not installed. Here is the panel that goes on this machine like so. Okay, so this is, you can see on the passenger side I had a panel that was drilled out, and then you can see on this panel we got a panel that we haven't drilled. So it's like, the question is, where do you drill? Well, Kawasaki did something really cool. You see that little indent right there? That's where you drill. Right there, you drill there. They already have the spot marked where you drill, and then you drill right there, and then you can see the other one right there, drill there. So you already have your spots where you know to drill. See right here, that's it. I just took this Phillips out so I could pull the panel back, but you can see the bracket where the bolt goes in right there. And then you got these holes here, here, and here. So they already have them marked. So when you drill, this is basically what you get. You know, when I bolt all that down, they're in the right spot. You don't have to like guess. You use a hole saw, some hole saw action, 1.5 inch. Stick your pilot bit on there, send her home. You get your holes in there. And then these bolts right here, you know, they go in the bar. They screw in right here. And then you send them home. And your rock sliders are on. So pretty easy install. If you're not super mechanically inclined and you're really, you know, concerned, hey, is this a project that I can do myself? I would say probably your biggest challenge is going to be these pilot holes, knowing where to drill, but Kawasaki did the work for you. They're right there, and you saw where the other ones were. So happy drilling. Get your holes on there, and then you take your panel, your loose panel. You could just take your loose panel and bolt it up without your rock slider. You got Phillips head screws and stuff on your panel. When you take it off, they screw in here, here, and then down here. So you could just bolt your panel, you could screw your panel back up, and then you're gonna have your holes in your panel, and then you can put your rock slider up, and your holes will be in your panel, and you can put your bolts in and tighten them down. And you're, you know, your Captain Hotshot installer person. So pretty sweet. Thanks for watching.